Hi viewers, my name is Nsika Abasi Eyibio. In this video, I'll be taking you on the topic sets. Before I introduce the lesson, I'll quickly wish to say that in all my videos in mathematics, I will be using the scripture and real life situations as a tool for teaching my concepts. Now let's go back to set. Set is a group of persons coming together under a particular name. When a group of persons come together to form a forum and give that forum a name, that is called a set. Now, the persons present in that association or group or forum is called the element of that set. Another thing we'll quickly look into is what we call the notation of a set. When we want to identify the members or persons present in a particular association, then we are talking about the notation of a set. We see here that since every set, every group of persons, every humanity have a name, so for some group of persons to come together to form a body, therefore entails that each of the elements has an original name. So the way of identifying a particular element or person present in a set is what we call notation of a set. So quickly we'll look into what we call notation of a set. The first notation of a set we want to look at is called the word method. The word method. This is a situation whereby we identify the elements by writing out their original names, the name they use in that particular association. Like we have PDP, which is a set. If Okun, Etem, and Mr. Ubong were members of PDP, writing them out by that names is what we call word method. When we assign a code to the members of a particular group and then identify that group or identify the person in that group by their code or by their code instead of their name, it is called listing method. Just as I said, if you have PDP and it's a set comprising of Okun, Ubong, and Udo. Now, if we assign a code to Okun, and the code we assign to Okun is A, and the code we assign to Ubong, or the registration number of the man called Ubong, is B, and the registration number of the man called Udo is C, then we can write this as this, that PDP is a set of this bracket of braces open and braces closed is what is read as a set of persons or a group of persons. So PDP is a group of persons comprising of the following membership: A, B, C, where we know that A signify Okun, B signify Ubong, and C signify Mr. Udo. Now, since some of the groups we have an association have so many number of persons, since the members of such some association is so many, and because of that, it will still kill time trying to identify them by their original name, and even giving them a code, calling them by that code, still kill time if they are so much. So, ascertaining or prescribing a certain property and then describing the elements by that property is what we call set builder notation. For instance, if we say, like PDP as a political party, you want to say PDP from Ikono, PDP members from we can say in the chapter, Ikono chapter. So, ascertaining a property that some of the members fall into and naming the set according to that property is called set builder notation. Let me give a typical example. If we take University of Uyo, for instance, and we want to say U to represent University of Uyo, and we say University of Uyo is a set of students whose age ranges from 18 to 24 years. We can write it as this: UU is a set of students. This braces open is read as a set of whatsoever this is. So UU is a set of students. UU is a set of students. You can use X to be a student such that the age of this student ranges from 24 years to 18 years. So now say U is a set of X such that X is less than or equals to 24 and X is greater than or equals to 18. Meaning U is a set having its membership denoted by the alphabet X such that this is such that these members range from 24 to 18 years, if we're talking about age. So that is called set builder notation. So the persons whose age range are from 18 to 24 can now be listed. So we can now transform it from this set builder notation to weight method, that is listing the persons or the members which satisfy this age requirement, and then also transform it to listing method by writing it based on their registration number or mode of identification.